Kamusta mga kaibigan? This is James Padran and nandito tayo sa Tarlac. Tarlac is not really known for their beaches and whatnot. Pero with the current boom ng mga staycations na ino-offer on different places, meron tayong nakita na napakaganda. Welcome to Casa Teresa. Makikita ang Casa Teresa sa Purok Pineda, San Nicolas Balas, Concepcion, Tarlac. Pagpasok nyo ng Dao exit sa NLEX, mga 30 minutes away na lang sila. Ang pinaka-accommodation nito ay may pagka neo-retro. Meron itong 2 rooms. Yung malaking room ay may 2 double deck at may sariling CR. At yung isang room naman ay may queen size bed. Maluwag ang sala nito at air-conditioned kaya pwedeng tulugan din. Pwede kayo mag-request ng additional bed kung marami kayo at a very affordable price. Meron silang dirty kitchen na pwedeng paglutuan at may napakalaking function hall kung malaking grupo kayo. Pagdating naman sa kanilang pool, ang ganda nito. May fountains at waterfalls ito at may jacuzzi pa na masarap tambayan. Kid-friendly ang kanilang pool dahil up to 5 feet lang ang lalim nito. At pagdating ng gabi, meron pa itong mood lights. Meron kaming maangas na jacuzzi dito. And then, ayun yung standard, no, not really standard, pero pool na mas malaki. And parang from 2 to 5 feet yung pool niya. Oh yeah!
Hi, good morning. I'm Maria Teresa Luito, owner of Casa Teresa. Casa Teresa means Casa, it's a home, and Teresa named after my name, Maria Teresa. We come up with this resort. Actually, it's only a family gathering for the kids. Casa Teresa offers a exceptional service for our to our guests. So feels like home, and then the amenities that we have a function room and a modern classic theme villa with 2 bedrooms, kitchen, dining, and a living room. And they are all air conditioned. We check our page, Casa Teresa. You like and follow. And for more inquiries, just message us. Thank you, bye!
Again, maraming salamat sa pagsama, and if you're interested in visiting this resort, you could message them in their Facebook page. Lalagay ko dito sa ilalim ang kanilang FB, and check them out. Napakabait ng mga owners and napaka-accommodating ng mga staff. Maganda yung lugar, napakaganda. And of course, huwag natin kalimutan, let's support local businesses, diba? Small local businesses. And as usual, stay safe, guys.